Hi everyone, welcome to this week's video. So the problem says let triangle ABC be the triangle shown below within center I. Given that AB is 13, BC is 14, and AC is 15, we want to find AI plus BI plus CI. So the incenter is the intersection of the angle bisectors. So in this problem we want to use combination of two theorems. So the first one says that if you have this is an angle bisector, then the ratio of this length to this length should equal to the ratio of this length to this length. So if we let this A, B, C, D, then A over B should equal to D over C. The second theorem says that if we have an angle bisector, if we have an angle bisector, we have this AB, CD, then the length of this angle bisector should equal to the square root of AB minus CD. Okay, so given this, we can find so let's call this 1 and let's call this 2. From 1, we can get that BF is equal to 13 over 2 and CF is 15 over 2. And then from 2, we can find the length of AF. So AF is equal to the square root of 13 times 15 minus 13 over 2 times 15 over 2. And this is equal to 3 over 2 square root 65. So since from 1, we know that AI to IF should equal to AB to BF, since BI is the angle bisector of ABF. So then that means that AI should equal to 2/3 of 3/2 of AF. So that means that AI is equal to the square root of 65. Okay, so now we want to do the same thing for BI and CI. So if we draw this, triangle ABC, yeah, this is I. Okay. So this is 13. This is 14. This is 15. So AE EC 13 over 14 and is equal to 15. So that means that AE is equal to 55 over 9 and EC is equal to from this in 2 we can get that BE is equal to the square root of 13 times 70 over 9, and this is equal to 28 over 9 square root 13. So then AB over AE, then that means that B over IE is equal to 9 over 5. And so we want to find BI, right? So then it would just equal to, BI is equal to 9/14 times 28 over 9 square root 13, which is equal to 2 square root 13. Okay, and then for our last one, we want to find CI. CI, we have the same thing. So this is I, and then this is 13, 14, 15. So by 1, we can get that this is 13 times 14 over 29, and this is 13 times 15 over 29. Okay, so then that means that CD fourteen times 30 times 15 over 29 squared. And this is equal to 29 168 square root 5 over 29. So now we have these three values and we want to add them up. So we have square root 65 plus 2 square root 13 plus 168 square root 5 over 29. And this is our answer.